Hello students, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Now the question is, the refractive index of the material of a prism is square root 2. If the refracting angle of the prism is 60 degree, find the part 1 angle of minimum deviation and part 2 angle of incidence. So the problem is based on the topic prism, and in particular the formula of the refractive index of the prism, which is sine n equals to sine a plus delta m by 2 upon sine of a by 2, and another formula is I equals to a plus delta m by 2. So we have to use these two formulae to calculate these two part of the problems. So the first part, angle of minimum deviation. We have to use this particular formula. So n is given as square root 2. This is equal to sine of a. A is the angle of prism, which is 60 degrees, plus delta m upon 2. Delta m, which we have to calculate, upon sine of a by 2. A is 60 degree upon 2. So this is equal to sine of 30 degrees plus delta m by 2 upon sine of 30 degrees. And this is equal to sine of 30 degrees plus delta m by 2 upon 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So we can say that this 1 by 2 is cross multiplied by this root 2. So this becomes square root 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 is equal to sine of 30 degrees plus delta m by 2. Now this comes out to be 1 upon root 2 is equal to sine 30 degrees plus delta m upon 2. Now 1 upon root 2 is nothing but sine 45 degrees. So we can say that 45 is equal to 30 plus delta m by 2. Or we can say that 45 minus 30 is equal to delta m by 2. Or we can say that delta m is equal to 30 degree. So the angle of minimum deviation comes out to be 30 degree. So this is the answer of the first part of the problem. The second part, we have to calculate the angle of incidence. So we have to use this particular equation, I equals to a plus delta m by 2. So a is given as 60 degrees, delta m, which we have calculated as 30 degrees upon 2. 60 plus 30 is 90, 90 upon 2 is 45. So we can say that angle of incidence is 45 degree. So this is the answer of second part of the problem. So this is the whole solution of the problem. Hope you understand the solution. Thank you.